Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Mermaid Bachelorette is probably one of the most exciting themes for a bride-to-be's last splash of freedom. Planning a mermaid-themed bachelorette party is all about embracing the fun, the fantasy, and the fabulous. From shimmering decorations to whimsical activities, this theme offers endless opportunities to create a memorable experience. So, let's dive into the enchanting world of mermaid bachelorette parties and discover how to make a splash. Number 5. Iridescent Mermaid Garland Party Decorations. This stunning garland is perfect for any mermaid-themed celebration. It comes with 4 strings, each 10 feet long, totaling 40 feet of shimmering decorations. It's sure to add a magical touch to your party. Inside, you'll find 4 strings of beautiful mermaid party streamers. Each string is 10 feet long, giving you a total of 40 feet to decorate with. It's everything you need to create an enchanting atmosphere. These decorations are made from high-quality, double-sided holographic metallic paper. They're carefully handmade and machine-sewn, making them durable and reusable. You can enjoy them for many parties to come. The design features bubbles, a mermaid, seashells, starfish, and jellyfish, creating an underwater world effect. The shimmering effect will make your party even more special. It's a truly unique and eye-catching decoration. Perfect for mermaid-themed parties, under-the-sea events, birthdays, and more. It's also great for bachelorette parties, weddings, baby showers, and other special occasions. It's versatile and can be used for various celebrations. We offer a 48-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help ensure you're completely satisfied. What we like. This mermaid garland is all about the sparkle. The iridescent design and shimmering effect will instantly elevate your party decor. If you're looking to create a truly magical and unforgettable atmosphere, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants to add a touch of underwater elegance to their celebration. What people say. The mermaid theme was perfect for a bachelorette party. The decorations were beautiful and created a fun atmosphere. The quality of the items was great. Number 4. Big Dot of Happiness Mermaid Photo Booth Props Kit. Get ready to make some waves with these fun photo booth props. This kit includes everything you need for a memorable bachelorette party. It's perfect for capturing hilarious moments. Assembling these props is a breeze. Simply attach them to the wooden dowels with the included adhesive. You'll be ready to go in minutes, creating lasting memories. These props are designed to bring laughter to everyone. The funny sayings will have guests smiling and taking shareable photos. It's a great way to make memories. There are many ways to use these cute props. Use them in photos, as centerpieces, or as decorations for your candy buffet. You can even use them as direction arrows. These props are professionally printed on thick cardstock. They are made in the USA, ensuring quality. The glitter print design eliminates glitter mess. What we like. Want to capture some hilarious memories? These photo booth props are designed to bring laughter and fun to your bachelorette party. If you're planning a party where guests love to take photos and create lasting memories, this is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who wants to add a playful touch to their event. What people say. The decorations were beautiful and perfect for the mermaid theme. The mermaid theme was well executed. The party supplies were of good quality. Number 3. Mermaid Bridal Shower Party Decorations. This mermaid-themed party package includes everything you need for a memorable bachelorette celebration. It is designed to create a romantic and fun atmosphere for you and your friends. The package includes a last splash garland, a blue fringe curtain, a bride-to-be sash, last splash balloon, and various latex balloons. It has everything you need to make the party special. This product is perfect for girls' parties, especially bachelorette parties. It will bring a sweet and romantic atmosphere to this special day. The decorations will bring you and your friends a lot of fun. These fairy tale party supplies are perfect for a mermaid-themed bachelorette party. You will be dazzling at the party. It will bring you a passionate and special bridal shower party, so just enjoy it. These decorations are perfect for bachelorette parties and various other occasions. They can create a wonderful atmosphere for mermaid bridal showers, ocean-themed parties, and more. It will add a romantic and fancy atmosphere to the party. The last splash balloon cannot float with helium. You can stick it to the wall, put it on a balloon pillar, or place it on the ground. This will still add an oceanic atmosphere to your party. What we like. This set provides everything you need to create a stunning mermaid-themed party. It offers a complete package with balloons, banners, and more. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to decorate and set the mood, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a romantic and memorable bachelorette party. What people say. The mermaid theme was a hit. The decorations were beautiful and added a special touch to the party. The quality of the items was great. Number 2. Big Dot of Happiness Mermaid Bachelorette Drink Gift Game. These shell-shaped cards are perfect for a bachelorette party or bridal shower. Each card has a unique drink gift challenge. Get ready for some fun with this exciting game. This game is fun for any crowd. Make sure everyone has a full drink and then the fun begins. The dares are exciting for everyone, but still tame enough for modest crowds. Use this game at an adult family gathering, a holiday weekend with friends, or even with coworkers. You can designate a card keeper to pick cards and decide who drinks. It's also a great icebreaker. The cards are 4.5 inches by 3.25 inches and professionally printed on heavy-duty cardstock. They are individually inspected and carefully packaged by hand. It will arrive ready to use at your event. The game is designed and manufactured in the USA using quality materials. The design includes a printed image of glitter, eliminating glitter flake while maximizing bling effect. What we like. Looking for a fun and engaging activity? These game cards are designed to get everyone involved and laughing. If you're planning a party and want to break the ice and create some hilarious moments, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants to add a playful and interactive element to their event. What people say. The decorations were beautiful and really added to the mermaid theme. The mermaid theme was a hit and everyone loved it. The quality of the decorations was great. Number 1. Loanzeg heart-shaped sunglasses for bachelorette party. Planning a bachelorette party? These heart-shaped sunglasses are the perfect accessory. They're fun, stylish, and a great way to celebrate with your friends. These sunglasses feature a unique heart-shaped design. They're sure to make a statement and add a touch of fun to any outfit. Get ready to turn heads. Looking for party decorations? These sunglasses double as fantastic party favors. They're a memorable gift that your bridesmaids will love and can wear throughout the event. Want a unique way to ask your friends to be bridesmaids? These sunglasses are a fun and memorable proposal gift. It's a sweet gesture they'll cherish. This set includes 12 pairs of sunglasses, perfect for the entire bridal party. Everyone can join in on the fun and celebrate together. It's a great value for a group. What we like. These sunglasses are a fun and fashionable accessory for your bachelorette party. They're perfect for adding a touch of style and creating memorable photos. If you're looking for a fun and practical gift for your bridesmaids, this is the perfect choice. They are ideal for anyone who wants to add a touch of glamour to their party. What people say. The decorations were beautiful and really set the mood for the party. Everything was high quality and looked amazing. The mermaid theme was perfect for a bachelorette party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.